Welcome to Review Lab. The best first day sign is probably one of the most exciting things for parents to capture their kids' first day of second grade. But with so many options available, how do you choose the perfect one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of first day signs, exploring different styles, materials, and features to help you find the ideal sign to commemorate this special milestone in your child's life. Number 5. PETCEE 11x14 Reusable School Board. This board helps you record your child's academic journey. It allows parents and children to reflect on the past and anticipate the future together. The sign is double-sided, featuring both the first and last day of school. This eliminates the need to buy separate signs, saving you money. Use traditional chalk or liquid markers to write on it. After use, simply wipe the text away with a wet tissue or cloth. Made of density board, this 11 by 14-inch sign is lightweight, sturdy, and waterproof. It's easy for little hands to hold and photograph. You can write your child's name, school, grade, and date on it. Use it to create photo memories for preschool through college. It's a great way to remember each school year. What we like? This sign features a double-sided design, capturing both the first and last day of school. It's made of sturdy, waterproof material, ensuring it lasts for years. If you're looking for a versatile sign to document your child's entire school year, this is a great choice. What people say. It is not chalkboard texture. It won't work with chalk. It has to be liquid chalk pens or markers or whatever. But it works great with those and wipes off perfectly clean. It's double-sided and chalk markers write so smoothly on it. Really good quality because it actually wipes away, doesn't get stained up like a lot of other chalkboards do. Very cute. Bright colors. Sturdy. We have been using frequently and it has been holding up well. Number 4. Reusable School Sign Board for Pre-K and Kindergarten. This double-sided sign is perfect for the first and last day of school. It's designed with classic early childhood elements to spark their interest. They can create their own sign with verbal expression. The board has the first day printed on one side and the last day on the other. It provides extra space for kids to get creative. It's ideal for pre-K, kindergarten, and elementary school. The sturdy 12 by 10-inch sign is made for long-term use. It's ready to go right out of the box. The rounded corners make it safe for children. It's non-porous, so use water-based crayons, colored pencils, or watercolor pens. It's also easy to clean and dries quickly. This sign is great for kids to create freely and as a photo prop. It's perfect for recording their growth and changes. It can also be used as a decoration at home. What we like? This board uses classic early childhood teaching elements to stimulate children's interest. It's designed with rounded corners for safety and is easy to clean. If you have a young child and want a fun, safe, and engaging way to celebrate their first day, this is perfect for you. What people say. The colors are vibrant, it's perfectly sized for kids to hold, and it wipes clean in seconds. I love that it's double-sided, one side for the first day, one for the last, so you capture the whole school year with a single purchase. The surface is smooth and non-porous, so water-based crayons or markers work perfectly and clean up without ghost marks. Number 3. Melisheer Back to School Board. This dual-sided board beautifully captures both the excitement of the first day and the surprises of the year-end. It's perfect for preserving those precious early learning memories. Use chalk or markers to customize it. It's smudge-proof, allowing you to document your child's annual growth journey without any hassle. It's perfect for adorable photo moments, scrapbooking, and sharing those precious back-to-school milestones. This sign helps you document your child's growth journey. It features a sturdy 2 mm thick board that resists bending, with softly sanded edges for safe, worry-free handling year after year. The construction is premium. It's versatile for any age, from daycare through elementary school. There are spaces to write grade, teacher, year, and dream each year. What we like? This board has a dual-sided design to capture both the first and last day of school. It offers smudge-proof customization and is made with premium construction. If you like to keep precious memories with adorable photos, this is a great choice. What people say. Simple and easy to use. Serves its purpose. Easy to write on with chalk markers, and easy to clean. Sturdy. Look nice with chalk marker written on it. Seems like it will be good for years to come if stored properly. Number 2. Melisheer School Chalkboard, first and last day. This double-sided board is designed to celebrate both the first and last day of school. It's an elegant way to mark the beginning and end of the school year, capturing those special milestones. You can easily personalize this chalkboard with chalk, crayons, or markers. It's simple to write on and customize for a special keepsake, making it unique to your child. Capture unforgettable moments by taking a picture of your child with this sign. It's perfect for preserving school memories and creating lasting keepsakes. Made from a sturdy 2mm thick board with rounded edges, this sign is safe for little hands. It's durable and designed to last throughout the school year. This versatile board is perfect for tracking milestones from preschool to college. You can write names, grades, dates, dreams, favorite colors, and snacks on it. What we like. This sign has a stylish double-sided layout for easy personalization. It's made from kid-friendly material with rounded edges. If you're looking for a safe and stylish way to capture those first and last day moments, this is a great choice. What people say. Simple and easy to use. Serves its purpose. Easy to write on with chalk markers, and easy to clean. Sturdy. Look nice with chalk marker written on it. Seems like it will be good for years to come if stored properly. Number 1. Hadley designed school sign board with markers. Looking for a fun back-to-school tradition? This reusable board is designed with love in the USA. It helps you capture those precious milestones each year. You'll receive a double-sided 11x14 board with an eraser. Take unforgettable photos with this sign on their first and last day. This board is perfect for recording moments before they pass. Easily document your child's growth with this back-to-school chalkboard sign. Use it as a sign for preschool, pre-K, or kindergarten. It's a great way to mark their first day of school with markers. Use this sign for any age or grade level. It's perfect for the first day of school, daycare, or preschool. What we like. This sign is designed with love and attention to detail. It's perfect for any age or grade level, making it a great choice for families with multiple children. If you are looking for a fun back-to-school tradition, you should consider this. What people say. Super cute with great colors. The pen it came with was easy to write with, and easy to erase with just a wet paper towel. I love that the front of the sign is for the first day, and the back of the sign is for the last day of school. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.